Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Today, let's talk a little bit more about Steam and the withdrawal of the actual money. If you have credit in your Steam wallet and you want to move this money directly into a bank account or PayPal, here is the absolute truth about the Valve's policy. Simple put, you cannot do this process. You cannot directly withdraw or cash out money from your Steam wallet. The funds are logged into the Steam ecosystem and can only be used for the purchases on the platform. However, there are two specific official circumstances where money added to your account can be returned to the original payment method. Now, there are two official methods for exiting funds, you might be saying so. For this element, for example, is to refunding unspent wallet credit. This only works if you manually add the funds to your Steam wallet using a credit card, using a PayPal, or using a bank-linked source. Let me explain this a little bit more. If I am directly into my account, I'm gonna head directly into my profile, and let's say, for example, that I do have a little bit of funds. And I decided to add, let's say, one or two payment methods, and I decided to add a little bit of my funds directly through my account. Basically, with this being said, let's say here is my profile, and I go for my settings and the details of my own account. Basically, if you do this, you can go to the stream support. Here is the actual money, and I have choose the option that says check out the actual funds. You check out the actual history of your purchases, and you add an actual payment method. With this being said, I go for the option that says help, Steam support. In here, you can find the wallet credit purchases and request an actual refund. So you choose the actual product, and here what you need to do is to choose the actual element that says ask for a refund. Now, really important that if this product was purchased after the 14 days and you have spent more than 2 hours playing with this game or whatever, this just won't let you get your money back. So the second option of the method 2 is refunding a game purchase to the original source. Once again, if you buy a game directly using your credit card or PayPal and not the Steam wallet, you can request a refund with a standard 14-day 2-hour payment limited time. This means that when you have requested this one, you're going to be receiving your money not into your wallet of Steam, but into the real payment method that you chose to receive or to making your actual payments. So when you request a refund, you can choose to have the money sent back to the original payment method and your bank or credit card instead of just go back to the Steam wallet, you might say. So why you cannot withdraw the actual market? Well, basically the reason why is because there's a crucial clarification. If your Steam wallet balance came from selling items into the community market, you cannot withdraw this. So those funds are considered platform earnings and are permanently locked into your Steam wallet. You might be saying this is some kind of stealing from Steam, but at the same time, this is going to be, let's say, for example, trying to benefit the actual clients or users, because this is not like as the money enters, the money goes. This is just as the money enters, you spend it into games. So any attempts to use an official website to cash out item sales are risky against Steam terms of services and can lead to accounts banned. Some others say that if you have, let's say, money here into your wallet, or you have a few items, you can sell them directly into some unofficial places to sell products. For example, sell unofficial Steam products, like it so. This will be popping up this new websites. There's a lot of websites that can be helping you with this element. For example, there's Smart Gate, there's the Tap Attack, there's the Steam Web, there's the Steam DB. Now you can do this process. In my case, I do not recommend it because this is totally unofficial and this might be restricting your account into the future, so you might want to be taking that in mind. So To summarize, direct withdrawal is impossible. Money can only leave your Steam account, and if it's a refund back to the original source, and only if it follows a strict 14-day rule. So since you can't cash it out, what new games should you buy into the Steam? What you can do, what you want to be doing into the future, you can let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully with those has been said, well, we can all see you next time.